equals if your Thermomix TM31 is making a terrible noise. We can help. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The noise usually happens due to worn-out blades struggling to mix properly. Replacing the blades and ensuring everything is clean will fix the issue. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.